Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I just have to tell you that I love Halloween. All of my boys have grown up now and they're not here for Halloween, but I've got lots of young children that live around me and I really enjoy the kids coming. And specifically, I love to see their little faces when they see every year something new that I have created for them to have a look at. So this year, I've got this lovely square base here, and what I've done is, it was a bit sort of like insignificantly plain with nothing on it. So I just got some of these Sculpey pens. They're fine and they're just fantastic for doing the things that I like. And the great thing about this is once it's on, you don't have to put it in the oven and bake it because it's permanently fixed there. So I've just gone around the edges here and just done these little interesting little faces so that it was something else to just, you know, give it a little bit more of an edge of something interesting. I've put some foam into the center of the cavity of my container, and not so long ago I had these hydrangeas that I'd painted. Well, I decided that I didn't like the colour on them, so I gave them a wee wash, and the great thing is that like not all the colour has come out, so I've got these lovely little tinges of orange on here which will be fine. So with the hydrangeas, all I've pretty much done is just whip those off there. So I only want the heads for this job. And then I found these little eyes, which are just so cute. And I thought, well, how am I going to put the eyes in here? But then my eyes fell upon, I've got a good idea. So I've just got a satay stick here. I'm going to cut that off and then put a bit of glue onto the end here, because I think that these hydrangeas have actually reached the end of their life, and I'm just going to stick that onto there so that I've got all these lovely little eyes to be looking at, and the kids will see those and they'll just go, oh, what is that? I mustn't be too excited over this. I must just calm down. Okay, so into the base here of my foam, I'm just going to push the hydrangeas down and into the foam just to hide the foam, because that's visually unartistic to me and is doing nothing except a form in which to hold my materials. With these here, I'm just going to push those down into the center of the container with the eyes that are all sort of like looking, look at that. How cool is that with those eyes? Can you see those eyes? I think that's really great. The kids will love it. And I've got I'll put all four of these into here, like so, as if they're like growing out of the center of my container. And that one there, I am going to put into there because I think I want 5 eyes looking at the children when they come. I've also got some spiders, which I'm just going to put into there, like so, just down on top of the hydrangeas, like so. And they've just got a little bit of wire on the end there so that they actually stick into the foam and into the base of my container. I can hide that one there. I've got these snakes, lovely snakes, which I'm just going to put through the container. In fact, I'm thinking that this would be a wonderful design to do with the children, and the great part will be going off and finding all the bits. And I always think that this is a great way of getting kids away from the iPads or screens and into doing something that is visually interesting. So I'm just going to put that through to there, and this one I'll put through to there, and I'll have its tail hanging down the bottom. There's one more spider. So, I might put that spider into there. It can just go into there. And then I've got these little skulls, and I found this. I just want you to know that this candy corn has got to be the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten, but I'm sure that it's because I'm an old lady that I don't actually enjoy the taste of something that is not really to my liking. So that can go into there. And then with these, I'm just going to put these into the center of my design, and when the kids come calling, I've got a whole heap of these that I'll fill with the candy so that when the kids do come, they can just pick that up and they can take it home with them. So there we have another quick and easy Halloween idea that doesn't take long to put together. The longest part of the whole process is actually gathering the bits and pieces. So there we have something quick and easy for Halloween. I hope you enjoy that and do give it a go. And if you like this, have a wee troll through and see all the other Halloween designs that I've created over the years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.